First, we'll open the glove box. Right there is that plastic piece that we need to pull out. From the right side, carefully grab the plastic piece and then pull it upwards. Notice the piece is losing its grip. Same to be done on the other side. Grab the plastic piece and then pull it upwards. With both sides pulled out, there we got the plastic cover taken out. Right there is the position for the cabin air filter, and we also need to take out the cover for that. It has a tab on the right side right there that we need to press and hold and then pull the cover outwards. Once the cover is pulled out, right there is the cabin air filter. We will slide out the cabin air filter. This is how the filter is taken out. Now my filter is good for some 1000 more kilometers, so I will be installing it back. In case if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, you can use these steps to install a new filter in your case. Before installing the filter, just make sure the arrow sign is at the front and it's pointing towards downwards. We'll punch in the filter back and make sure it's completely in. Then we will go ahead and put back the filter cover. It has a tab right there that needs to be slided in towards the left side right there. Here we are sliding that tab in that spot. Showing you one more time, that is how the tab is supposed to go in. Now we close the cover like a door until we hear a clicking sound. We'll also make sure the plastic cover is not coming out, and it seems like it is installed perfectly fine. Now we will go ahead and put back this cover. Make sure that these two tabs of the bottom side go into these two holes right there. And then behind this plastic cover, notice there is one position right there and another position right here. These two positions are supposed to go into these two positions right there and one right there. So we will punch in the plastic cover, making sure the bottom tabs go first. Once the bottom tabs are in and aligned, only then we will give both sides a slight push towards downside. After the two clicking sounds coming out, it means it's been installed firm and strong. And notice it is not coming out. We close the glove box, and with that we are done with the replacement of the cabin air filter. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.